Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a website using Wix. You want to open up a new tab, type in www.wix.com. Logged in, I'm going to log out. So if you don't have a page set up yet, you're going to hit get started. If you do, just hit sign in. So you want to hit sign up, or you can just sign in with Facebook or Google if you have either of those. I'm going to use Facebook because that's easier for me. I already have an account, so I'm going to hit manage and edit site. I'm going to hit edit site. So first we're going to start off with a background. If you want to add a background, you're going to hit this square over here that says background. These ones, they move once you put them on. Hit any background. But I like the sunflower one, so I'm going to leave the sunflower one. And to edit your text, you can't just click it and erase. You have to hit edit text. And then you can type. And you have to always hit the X to exit out. Say you want to add a picture like how I added a picture, you're going to hit the plus. Hit image. You can either use one of these or you can upload from your computer. So I'm going to upload. Resize. Put it wherever I like. Say if you want to add an animation for when it comes in, you would hit bounce in or any of these. If you wanted to crop the picture, just hit crop and crop whatever you want. About something different and you want your tabs to be different than what they are on mine, you would just go to the top and next to Wix it says page and home. You would just hit manage pages, hit the three dots, and you just hit rename. I'm going to keep it home though. And that's for all of them. Or if you wanted to add a sub page, you just make that a sub page. To add an app, you can add an app. You just hit Wix App Market, and whatever your app you want, you just look for an app. Well, let's view the page now. Start from the beginning. This is my home page, and my background is a movie, so it does move. All my backgrounds are actually movies, so they all move. And that is how you make a Wix page. Thank you guys for watching.